keto zone is simply the metabolic state in which your body's burning fat, otherwise known as nutritional ketosis.
What diet do you recommend for them to enter the keto zone?
Keto zone is just a metabolic state in which you're burning fat. Now, there's the Keto Zone book that I have and Beyond Keto. Both work for burning fat. But I prefer Beyond Keto for long-term keto. If you're going to follow keto for preventing dementia, treating Parkinson's, treating, chronic weight problems, then Beyond Keto is the healthiest keto diet of everything.
Are you saying that by following the Beyond Keto diet puts you in the keto zone?
Correct. The keto zone is simply nutritional ketosis in which your body shifts from burning sugar, which 99.99% of people are sugar to their primary fuel. But when you lower your carbohydrate intake enough, you shift from burning sugar as your fuel to burning fat as your fuel. When you burn fat as your fuel, something amazing happens in the body called nutritional ketosis or the keto zone. So you see, when you lower your carbohydrate intake low enough, you're usually around 5 to 15% carbohydrates, about 70 to 80% healthy fats, and then about 15 to 20% protein, you have a metabolic shift in which your body shifts from burning sugar as your main fuel to burning fat as your main fuel. This is the preferred fuel to burn because when you burn fat as fuel, you also get rid of excess body. It also creates mental clarity, with energy. It's like the sweet metabolic spot, so the body is functioning at its best. And we become usually, many times, disease resistant because inflammation decreases, sugar goes down dramatically. And then the biggest thing is they're burning fat as fuel. It's clean fuel. They're not having as much inflammation when they're burning fat as fuel. So some of the inflammatory issues aren't. So many health problems like acid reflux, polycystic ovaries, medical conditions are improved by getting in the keto zone or nutritional ketosis.